Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. It turns out that I didn't hit record again. Yay! So we've ran 4 cloves of garlic through our garlic press, and we've placed 2 tablespoons of tomato paste on top of that. For this recipe, you will need sun-dried tomatoes. These come coated in oil. We placed 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan, and then we threw in a pound of shrimp. You're all caught up now. If your shrimp are like mine and there's still water in them from being frozen, drain that off in a sec. You can use pre-cooked shrimp for this. Anytime it's this orange color before you've cooked it, it's pre-cooked. Feel free to use that. It's a great time saver. Just recognize that it can overcook a little faster if it's already cooked. Once it's safely brought up to temp, we're adding 2 more tablespoons of the tomato oil. And to that oil, we're adding our garlic and our tomato paste. That's 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're also adding 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flake. Then we're going to mix, swirl it around, let everybody become friends. Now we're going to throw in our 1 cup of sun-dried tomatoes that we've sliced. Let that get some of that paste up. Over here I've got a pot of water coming to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I will add my rigatoni. This is 2 cups of broth, chicken. Give that a little stir. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And 1 cup heavy cream. Now we're going to bring this up to a simmer. Pasta's going in the pot. You should probably salt and pepper your shrimp while they're in the pan. If not, do it now. Better late than never. Don't forget to stir your pasta occasionally. Don't forget to stir your sauce occasionally. If you have any fresh basil lying around, fold it up and get to tearing. We're going to use that later for serving. This basil was getting ready to turn, so I'm putting it to use. If you actually want her to marry you, get fresh basil. Always check your pasta early. That box says 15 minutes. It's been like 5, and it's almost done. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. So I'm adding a bunch of spinach. And that looks like enough. The bagged spinach is pre-washed, and my research indicates that you can spread more bacteria by trying to wash it again. So be lazy. It's the right choice. You can put as much of the spinach as you want in here. You do want to wilt it. So as much as it'll fit is fine. And you can do it whatever style you want. I'm not cutting it or anything though because, again, lazy. Going to check the pasta a second time. Drain all but a little bit of the water and then pour it all in. And now we're going to slowly stir. This pot is not big enough for all of this, but that's okay. We will make it work. Throw the shrimp in there too for an impossibly crowded pan. And a bunch of Parmesan cheese, because why not? I get the feeling that I should have added more of the water to the sauce before I added the noodles. And also probably used a bigger pan. Remove from heat. Cover. Okay, let's see if that helped our sauce at all. And no, still not very thick. Needed more pasta sauce probably. That's okay. My sauce didn't quite thicken, which is disappointing, but still ultimately fine. This can be a fail episode. I'm okay with that. A little bit of basil on top. Again, it's not the best basil, but it's working. They're not bad for a 15-minute meal on a weeknight. Okay, like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below, let me know how I'm doing, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.